Morning, everybody. It's pretty early. It's that early. I don't even know what to say. It's so early. Anyways, we got Bertha fired up this morning. We're gonna go pick up some ground beef. Guy I know processes cows on the occasion. So I texted him, or I've spoken with him several times, and I texted him about a month and a half ago, and I said, "Hey, you got any ground beef?" He said, "Yeah, man. How much you want?" "What do you have?" So I think we're gonna get 50 pounds today. First, we gotta drop off some cardboard at the recycle bin. Probably. And vacation is nice because it makes me just forget things. Anyways, we got Bertha fired up this morning and putting the cooler in the truck because we got a absolute back seat full of cardboard. Hopefully we can get rid of all that today. Oh yeah. Want to start a war with your family? Buy them something that they don't like. When I bought it, the guy at work said, "Who you buying that for?" I said, "Oh, I'm buying it as a gag gift for Christmas," which you obviously can tell that I forgot to. Hold on a second. You can obviously tell that I forgot to give as a gag gift. He said, "That wouldn't be a gag gift in my house. Somebody probably gets shot." Which, if you're from Alabama, you know what I mean. Alright. Let's get Bertha rolling this morning. I've got all those other cardboard boxes there that I gotta take, but I'm very, very certain that the recycle bin is going to be full. Sweet. Cardboard bin's only half full. Should be able to get rid of all this now. Should have brought all that I had in the back of the truck too, but heck, every time I come here, it's always like overflowing with cardboard. But yeah, let's get this unloaded. Alright, finally on the road. Took me forever to get fuel this morning. There was a line. I guess that's what happens whenever you go to the gas station when a ton of people are trying to get to work every morning. Oh well. That's good. Well, we got about a 20-minute drive. We'll be able to pick up our stuff and go pick up some lumber afterwards. Sit back and relax. We just picked up all of our beef, visited for just a minute, and now we are at the hardware store. We're at Lowe's. We're gonna pick up some lumber to do some trim with and get all that loaded up. Pick the wife up some paint. Headed back to the house. Made it back. Gonna go in here and put all this meat in the freezer if I can get the door open. All right, and we're in. Get the old deep freeze opened up here. A few things shifted around. I think I just locked it. No, I didn't. I unlocked it. Oh yeah. Now I gotta get the cooler. Awesome. Now, time to go home, unload all this stuff. As you can tell, it's very windy today.
Where's your collar?
I don't have a collar, buddy. But Cookie's supposed to. What? Getting in his truck so I can clean it out without stuff blowing everywhere.
Oh, I thought you were about to
No. No. Good afternoon, morning. Good morning, everybody. Today, it's supposed to be like 75. If you can't hear the wind, you'll be able to hear in a clip or two. Very windy. We're supposed to be having some pretty decent storms this evening. I pray that they're not that bad, but there's supposed to be some pretty good thunderstorms coming in. But in the meantime, while it's halfway decent weather outside, we're going to clean out this monstrosity of a interior of a truck, because it's pretty bad. I got 6 trash bags just in case. Will I use them all? I don't know. But I've got 6 just in case. So that's one thing we're going to do this morning, and we're going to try to spray it off, because it's kind of dirty. I haven't washed this thing in months. But that's about it for today, because I have a feeling, where's my other cup? I have a feeling before we know it, we're going to get pushed inside for the weather. But as long as it's halfway decent outside, we're going to stay outside. Because after the storm system rolls through, hey, two more construction pencils. Very nice. Because after the storm moves through this evening, tomorrow it is going to be absolutely freezing. I think it's going to be somewhat decent in the morning, But as the day rolls through, it's going to get progressively colder. That being said, you won't see me in short sleeves and a little bit of sweat on me tomorrow. Let's get started cleaning this thing out, because it's it's very dirty. God. I guess that's what happens whenever you just drive all the time. And you don't ever just stop and take 30 minutes to clean. You just drive, and then drive to work, come home, build a house. Drive to work, come home, build a house. You just don't have time to clean. But thankfully, the house is done now, so I can now handle this. Well, let's get going. It's gonna take us a minute. Cookie, get down. No, ma'am. I know it's no fun. So we got everything cleaned out, but now we gotta take this off. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting because it's pretty heavy, and I'm just one person. We'll see how it goes.
Soaking wet. It's soaking wet, Mama. Dang, I'm soaking wet.
You're soaking wet?
Uh-huh.
That's not good.